RMU is blessed to be a series of great stories. The region, the city of Pittsburgh, a lot of great stories. And one of my favorite stories that sort of, I think, laid the foundation of my coming here is when I was a candidate, I had a gentleman who was driving a car service. I think the car service was actually owned by an RMU graduate, which was even more serendipitous. But the gentleman was driving me and he said to me, "Hey, Dr. Howard, good luck with this position. I have a grandson that attends RMU. And I always give him, every year I drive out and I give him some money to pay his tuition." Well, he drove out to see his grandson maybe a few months before I was named president. And he goes to his grandson and he says, here's the money for the year. And the grandson says, "No, Granddad, I don't need it. I had an internship last year. And I can cover my amounts that I need for this year for books, tuition, etc. And I'm on some great scholarships as well." So what a great story for RMU that the grandfather felt that RMU was such a great institution that he was willing to give to his grandson, but the institution did what it needed to help the young man get into a position where he didn't need that money by getting internships. So it's another great story for RMU.